These tea bushes are covered with black shade nets, a process that creates colonial. This enhances the quality of the tea, making the plantation a model of sustainable agriculture. The color is vibrant, a good sign of quality. Freshness is evident in the crisp texture, and the moisture level is just right. I'll collect a small sample of dried tencha leaves for lab analysis, using sterile scissors to ensure a precise cut, and sealing the sample bag for the lab. Okay, starting with leaf 03, the color is uniform, vein density is good, no major defects. Moving to leaf 04 now. This one has minor edge discoloration, recording that. Specialized rollers use static electricity to remove hair, dust, and fine fibers from the tea flakes. This ensures the tea is clean and pure for the next stage of processing.
Flakes pass through a gentle crusher to create a more uniform size before grinding.
Transporting these drums to the grinding room now. All right, positioning at the door. Scanning batch drum 01 for origin and quality. Origin confirmed, factory A, quality is grade A. Next drum, batch drum 02, scanning now.
A digital sensor carefully monitors the stone temperature to keep it low and preserve flavor quality. Initiating particle size measurement for quality control. Sample loaded, laser scattering in progress. Analysis complete, D50 is 5.8 microns, within specification. Filling the bag with matcha powder. Now, double sealing it for freshness. And into the refrigerated storage. Whisking the sample with hot water now. Aroma evaluation, rich umami and fresh vegetable notes.
Let's measure the chlorophyll and amino acid levels. Results are in. Ceremonial grade quality confirmed. The sample is approved.
Inserting the sample now. Starting the analysis. Results are in. Purity is 99.18%. Safety checks and organic standards are certified. A unique serial code is printed on the lab report for full traceability to the farm and harvest date. This ensures every sample can be traced back to its source. Nitrogen gas is injected into every tin to remove oxygen and preserve freshness. This process displaces oxygen, preventing oxidation shelf life for the packaged product.
This packaging is so elegant. I'll take it.
Scan complete.
Post-workout hydration time. This matcha energy shot is a game changer. Plus the antioxidants support recovery. It's perfect for modern wellness.
Feel the richness of this soil. No chemicals, just pure organic matter. See, it's moist and crumbly. This is the heart of our chemical-free organic farming.
This break is the highlight of my day,
You said it, Sarah. These sandwiches are great.
right? The canteen's really improved. I can't wait for the picnic.
Me too.
Totally.
It'll be a blast.
Listen, the stone mills whisper their secrets.
Secrets? How can I hear them?
Adjust the stones. A high pitch means it's too coarse.
Ah, I hear it now.
It's a pleasure to partner with you. The feeling is mutual. Thank you. Together, we can make a difference. I agree. Let's shake on it.
Welcome everyone. This is where the tea leaves begin to wither. Next, the leaves go through this rolling machine. It's a very old technique. And here are the fine heritage.